Hello everyone, this is Cassie. Nice to see you here again. I'm really happy that you guys like the video I posted last days. Some friends sent me the messages that they want to know what projects we are working on currently. Now I'm going to show you all of them. Now I'm standing in the area of our CNC workshop. Totally, we own 12 CNC machines, which enable us to produce 1 billion pieces per month. Let's check what type of aluminum products we are producing right now. Wow, look at the stencil shape of the both band. And this is the final product we made. Actually, we have over different colors, and we enjoy a best seller in the market. Today, we are also produce the water chamber heat sink right now. The water chamber heat sink have better thermal dissipation comparing to the normal heat sink. Heat sink we use in LED lighting and we eat more to space. This is my favorite CNC machine. They are high efficiency and can produce over 6.5 meter long profile. Amazing, right? And for this aluminum bracket, they are using on the bullet cage. It's also our biggest project we are working on in our factory right now. Now behind me is part of our warehouse. You can see there are a lot of aluminum panels sitting there. Are you curious of what they are? Oh, they are the panel using in 5G signal power. This project is for Huawei. As we all know, Huawei have a very high quality requirement for the blackness. You can check our worker is doing the blackness detection and shaping. Every single step will be well controlled. Okay, our today's presentation comes to an end. If you like my